Welcome back to the InScentive Collection. I'm your host, Brandon, and today it is a very, 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 very special day. It's a new house. It's a new house. A leaf just fell on my roof. It's a new house, okay? And so we are getting into, and by the way, if you have any expectations of these names being enunciated correctly, just go ahead and leave the video right now. Because, like, they're not, all right? Spoiler alert. But we have Le Perce-vent, I think, is what it's called. And no autofocus. Something's got to be going on with this. Did I turn it off or something? I don't know. You're going to have to just imagine it. Yeah, I think autofocus is off. Maybe that's why it's not working. Got to figure out how to turn that on. So, without further ado, let's get into this. Because I'm excited. Because, you know, listen, like, this is one of the, like, premier houses that everybody has everything great to say about. Right? And I'm so glad to finally be in. I got the discovery kit. I'm all involved, baby. We're all in here. And I must say, so far, it was Nisane as far as like the best kit. That they have been dethroned, ladies and gentlemen. So buckle up, buttercup. We got a bunch of fragrances to get into. I'm not gonna do this now because I forgot my blotter. I might sample something. I gotta try something out. But yeah, it's probably gonna get everywhere. But in the meantime, let's get back to this. Focus, right? Focus. All right, so let's go ahead, and I haven't seen one of these things since I did a Nisane review. So, oh, I'm sorry. Hold on. I didn't do the thing. Unsheathe this thing. Oh, this is adorable. It's adorable. There's no autofocus. I got to figure out how to turn that back on. But yeah, this is adorable. This is adorable. Well, let's not waste any more time, guys. Let's go ahead and get this in the spirit. Let's get this in the spirit. Ooh, not a bad atomizer. I kind of want to do it again just because. Yeah. So far. Okay, sorry guys. That took me to another place, another time. Wow, this is whew, hold on, I might spray way too much. Jeez. Woo. All right. Gosh. This is sophisticated. I don't even know where to start. Smells like rain, like rainwater, like Petra, I think is how you say it. The smell of rain. Yeah, man. This is sophisticated. Yeah, it's a little above my ability to describe. I'll be honest with you. Let's see what we got. So, man, whew, I don't even know. Yeah, let's see what's in the notes. Clary, sage, and musk. That's all they're giving us. Clary, sage, and musk. Okay. Okay, yeah. Definitely musk. It's definitely more of the linen side of a musk, for sure. Clary sage is giving it. It's probably what's giving it that sweet, powdery, floral aspect. But like I said, there's a aspect to this that smells like rain. Like it smells like the pitter patter of rain. Wow, definitely feminine, but it's very clean. It reminds me of kind of like a, what's his name? A Francis Kirkjohn type of fragrance. Like very clean, very linear, very, like not simple, but just like high end. Like just, it's not going to dazzle you and rousel you with all of these different crazy, you know, this. No, it's a one-man show or, you know, two-person show. And it's straight to the point. But this is a beautiful fragrance. This is regal. I see a very well-off woman wearing this. Like somebody who, you know, maybe like the top, you know, accountant / lawyer / I don't know, judge in the state of X. Like that's who would wear this. This is definitely this is somebody who has a very, because here's the thing. You're not going to walk into Macy's and find this. Like, That's never gonna happen. Honestly, I shouldn't say never, but this is somebody who is around affluent people and knows high-end stuff. Like, I mean, there's no other way to put it other than that. Again, simple. Well, first of all, supremely blended. I think it's one of those things that's kind of like, you smell it and it's just like, I can't tell what's in it, but when you say what's in it, it's like, that makes sense, but you can't pick out any of the particular aspects of it. Now, I say the musk is starting to reside a little bit, and it's getting a little bit more floral. More floral. I wouldn't, you know what? I can see a guy wearing this in a very fresh, beginning of spring, all white tux, or white blazer. I think this would be amazing in hot months. I think in a hot month, oh my God, this thing will probably be on steroids, because it's about 64 degrees. It's nothing crazy, and you saw the size of the atomizer, the Perfume of the atomizer. Man, yeah, this is a very high-end fragrance. Yeah. Woo. Anyway, those are my initial thoughts. Let me know what you guys think of this house. I'm going to try to pronunciate the name. Serge Lutens? Serge Lutens. Let me know. Am I saying that right? Let me know what you guys think of this fragrance. You don't get a whole lot in here. It's they're not giving you a whole lot compared to what you would see with Zarahoff, right? You know? And that is, whenever you buy something premium, high-end, expensive, you don't get extra. There's not going to be extra, Ironically, I bought their discovery kit and they threw these in for free. But that's besides the point. Yeah, guys. Anyway, so far, first entry into the house. Not necessarily something that I would wear, but one of the lost in the Tesla forever. One of the most premium fragrances I've smelled in a long time, guys. This punches high. So anyway, thanks for watching. YouTube's making some excellent recommendations right now. Let me know what you think. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.